So hi guys, this is VERDY Channel, and today I'm going to do a reaction to Daesung singing Rainy Rainy, and it's the live performance with English sub. This was a recommendation and I'm really excited to get into it because this one was recommended by more than one person, so I had like I think 2 or 3 times, so it must be a popular one. So I'm really excited to go into it. As always, you can like, comment, subscribe, and let's go! Like, the light stick is just pretty. I love the suit. I think I'm gonna keep saying it, but I love his voice. Like, the tone of his voice, I just really enjoy it. Like, he has so much passions when he sings, and like you can see, like, each time that he sings, he looks into the crowd, and like his body language shows also the emotion of the song, like of how he wants to interpret it. Because if it was just singing and doing no movement, like, it wouldn't have the same effect as moving around and like doing like movement with his arms and looking into the crowd. Like, that makes people even more focused on you, because you show, like, you make a performance and like people can't take their eyes off you, because like you're showing emotions and they're like, wow, I can feel it also. Like, that's how I feel when I see him like live right now. I can see the emotion. Whew, that was nice. Like I and then down. Woo. And I like the little dance moves. Oh, that's sweet. Like another great performance, and I think like I've said pretty much everything that I wanted to say when I paused the video, which I think it's a little bit sad because I always like left some things out to say at the end. But like if I was in the concert, I think I would just be like mouth open looking at them like, oh my god, like my heart, like I can feel the emotions and like I feel it and I'm through a screen, so that shows how much of hardworking artists they are, because it's not easy to make a crowd feel what you feel. And that's why I love watching live performance, because you can see it even more than just in music videos. But thank you guys for this recommendation. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. I hope you guys enjoy. I can't speak today. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. There you go. As always, you can like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe outside, and I hope you have a good day.